Hey, my name is Vlad Strazus. I'm an entrepreneur in the internet marketing and sales industry. And in this quick vlog, I just want to talk about the 4% challenge. What is the 4% challenge? Well, the 4% challenge is a training program for affiliate marketers. And not just for affiliate marketers, but for anybody, any ordinary people that want to learn affiliate marketing. So the 4% challenge is obviously made by a company called 4%, an online education company for entrepreneurs. And the founder and the creator of the 4% challenge is Vic Strazus, a world-class entrepreneur that has been online for over a decade doing affiliate marketing, and teaching people how to do it the right way. So when you start the 4% challenge, you will be guided step by step every single day. You'll be able to watch training episodes every single day and then implement what you learned in those episodes for you to be able to get results, for you to be able to get commissions and promote products, whether it's your own products or affiliate offers, maybe even in ClickBank, whether it's 4% products, whatever you want to promote. The 4% challenge will allow you to promote products effectively. It will help you understand the science behind affiliate marketing, everything that you have to know about affiliate marketing, how to do it right, and how to get results and how to succeed. And the 4% challenge is split up into 3 categories: 0 to 10,000, 10,000 to 100,000, and 100,000 to a million. And obviously most people will never get to that 1 million mark, but a lot of people will be somewhere in between those 10,000 and 100,000, that level, and it's gonna be great. So if you want to learn and master affiliate marketing, the 4% challenge is for you. And let me tell you a quick story. So when I got into entrepreneurship a few years ago, I knew nothing about marketing, about leads, about traffic. I knew nothing about, I didn't know any of the terminology. I didn't know anything about this stuff. And what helped me understand and learn everything when it comes to marketing, affiliate marketing, is 4% and Vic Strazus. And now this man created the 4% challenge to actually help people strategically, step by step, guiding them. But when I started back in the day, I had to ask him questions. And I remember one time he was explaining to me, drawing some stuff on a whiteboard, and he was explaining to me, you have to run traffic here. This is how an opt-in page looks like, blah blah blah, all kinds of different stuff he was explaining to me. And I was like, all right, that makes sense. And then I was like, what is traffic though? And he was kind of laughing at me at that point because he was explaining everything to me, and I didn't even know what the basic terminology was. That's how fresh it was, that's how new it was to marketing. But I learned it all. I learned affiliate marketing, and now I promote affiliate offers as well as my own products, and it's awesome. So if you would like to learn affiliate marketing from Vic Strazus, from 4%, the best of the best, go ahead, and I'll have a link below this video somewhere. Just go ahead and click on that link, and you will be able to learn more about the challenge before you start it. And obviously you'll be able to start the 4% challenge and get this awesome training. So your choice, but go ahead and click on the link below this video and enjoy.